Most people will work for money their entire life and still never understand why they're always broke. Not because they don't earn, but because they don't understand how money actually works. You ever noticed something? We all spend money every single day, but nobody really sat us down to explain how it actually works. Not in school, not at home, not even when we started earning it. It's like you're just thrown into the game and expected to figure it out. And somehow, everyone looks like they know what they're doing, but deep down, most people are just guessing. Let me ask you something. Have you ever received money, and before you even understand what happened, it's gone? No big purchase, no clear explanation, just gone. Yeah, that's not a coincidence. Money doesn't stay where it's not directed. Here's the truth nobody really tells you. Money is not just something you have, it's something that moves. And if you don't control how it moves, it will move without you. Think about it like this. Every time money enters your life, it already has multiple destinations waiting for it. Bills, food, data and subscriptions, random spending, unexpected problems. So when you say, "I don't know where my money went," your money knows exactly where it went. You just didn't give it instructions. Now here's where things start changing. People who seem good with money are not always richer. They just decide where their money goes before it arrives. That's it. Not magic, not luck, just direction. Let's break this down simply. There are two types of people. People who react to money and people who direct money. Money comes and one spends based on feeling. The other already planned its job. Same money, different results. Now here's the part almost nobody teaches properly. Not all money is meant to be spent. Some money is supposed to grow. But if all your money only knows how to leave, it will never learn how to stay. Think of money like a seed. If you eat all your seeds, you'll always be hungry later. But if you plant some, you give yourself a future. This is where investing comes in, and it's not as complicated as people make it sound. Investing simply means putting your money somewhere it can multiply. That's it. Not gambling, not guessing, just giving your money a chance to work, instead of only you working for money. Because here's another truth. If you only earn money by working, you are always one step away from zero. But if your money also works, you start building something stable. Now let's be real for a second. The system around us is not designed to teach this, because a person who understands money makes different decisions. They question things, they delay certain pleasures, they think long-term. And that's not always convenient in a world built on constant spending. Everywhere you look, buy now, limited offer, don't miss out. Nobody is saying, save first, invest wisely, think long-term. So if you've ever struggled with money, it's not because you're bad with money, you were never shown how it actually works. Let's simplify everything into 3 truths. Money needs direction. If you don't tell it where to go, it will disappear. Money must be divided, some to spend, some to save, some to grow. And money grows with patience, not overnight, not instantly, but consistently. You don't need to be rich to start understanding money, you just need to start paying attention. Even small amounts, when handled differently, start producing different results. At the end of the day, money is not the problem. The real problem is this. We were taught how to make money, but not how to keep it, not how to grow it, and not how to make it work for us. But now you know better. And once you know better, you can start doing better. And trust me, when you understand how money really works, everything changes.